Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. This is winter. Weather is getting cold day by day. So it is not easy to survive for most of the creatures during this time. I am going to tell you something about migratory birds. Every year, migratory birds fly hundreds and thousands of kilometers to find the best habitats available for feeding, breeding, and raising their young. Birds from the remotest corners of the world such as Siberia and Mongolia, come to Bangladesh during these winter months. At the very start of winter, our haors, baors, estuaries, fjords, and all other coastal regions get packed with migratory birds. The territory of migratory birds in Bangladesh are mainly at the fjord lands of Podda River in Rajshahi Division, Tanguar Haor Jahangirnagar University campus, Rajshahi University campus, and many other water bodies of north. These migratory birds are the sources of heavenly beauty and part of our ecosystem. Migratory birds connect people, ecosystems, and nations. They are the symbols of peace and of an interconnected planet. It is very much alarming that migratory birds are under threat from every corner. They are losing their habitats, subjected to illegal killing, greatly affected by poisoning, and suffering from the impacts of climate change. As a zoologist, I would like to give you the message: don't let those migratory birds be killed by anyone. Save our planet by protecting migratory birds. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.